Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to start chapter 6, The Land of Dense Forests, the Democratic Republic of Congo. We call it DRC also in short form. So, we will learn in this video about the location and climate of Democratic Republic of Congo, about the vegetation and wildlife and economy of DRC, about the life of the people of the DRC. We have studied that the climate of a place affects the life of the people. किसी भी जगह के लोगों का जो लाइफस्टाइल है it is dependent on the climate of that place. The equator passes through the continents of South America, Africa and Asia. The area that lies above and below the equator is known as equatorial region. This area below and above the equator is known as equatorial region. The climate of the equatorial region is hot, humid and wet. So let us read about the Democratic Republic of Congo, which is located in equatorial region. First is location. The Democratic Republic of Congo is located in Africa. It is located in Africa continent. It was formerly known as Zaire. Earlier it was known as Zaire. It is the second largest country in Africa and it is the second largest country of Africa. It shares its boundaries with the Central African Republic and Sudan in the north. In the north you can see there is Central African Republic and Sudan. Uganda and Rwanda, Tanzania and Burundi, all these are in the east of Democratic Republic of Congo. Zambia and Angola, these are in the south, and Republic of Congo in the west. So these are neighboring countries of Democratic Republic of Congo. 1/3 of the Democratic Republic of Congo lies in northern hemisphere. As you can see, this is map of DRC and 1/3 of DRC is above equator. That's why it is in northern hemisphere, while the other 2/3 lie in the southern hemisphere. Below equator is 2/3 of DRC. So it is in southern hemisphere. Kinshasa is capital of the DRC. Rivers. River Congo flows through the Democratic Republic of Congo. This is Congo River. The Congo River basin covers the entire country. Almost the entire country is covered by River Congo. The river Kasai, Sanga, Ubangi, Aruvimi and Lulonga are the important tributaries of River Congo. All these rivers are important tributaries of River Congo. Next is landscape. The northeastern part of the country is mountainous. The northeastern part of DRC is mountainous. Mount Margarita is the highest peak in the Democratic Republic of Congo. This is Mount Margarita. It is the highest peak. सबसे ऊंची peak है ये DRC की. There are also several lakes in Democratic Republic of Congo, such as Albert, Edward, Kivu, and Tanganyika. So these are Albert, Edward, Kivu, and Tanganyika. All these are important lakes of DRC. Here you can see in the blue color The darkest blue, it is Tanganyika, the biggest lake of DRC. These lakes are situated in the eastern part of the country. As you can see in the map, all these lakes are in the eastern part of DRC. Climate. The Democratic Republic of Congo experiences an equatorial climate. So, DRC has equatorial climate, as we have already read about it. The areas near the equator have hottest climate. It is generally hot, humid and wet throughout the year, and most of the times it is hot, humid and wet. There is a lot of rainfall. The country experiences high temperature and humidity. DRC experiences very high temperature, बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी होती है, and there is lot of humidity, lot of moisture is there. There is little variation in the temperature during summers and winters. Winters और summer के temperature में बहुत ही कम difference होता है. The length of day and night is almost equal, and the length of day and night is almost equal होते हैं day and night. It rains almost every evening, and there is rain every evening at 4 o'clock. That's why it is known as 4 o'clock rainfall. River Congo is the second largest river in Africa after River Nile. And River Congo is second largest river. The first largest is River Nile in Africa, and second largest river of Africa is River Congo. Vegetation. Since the Democratic Republic of Congo experiences a hot and humid climate, trees and plants tend to grow quickly here. As the temperature is very high and there is lot of humidity, बहुत सारी बारिश होती है, that's why there are many trees and many plants and they grow very quickly. The vegetation found here is very dense. और यहाँ पर जो vegetation है, जो plants and trees हैं, वो बहुत ही dense होते हैं, उनके बीच का distance बहुत कम होता है. The forests have very tall trees whose branches form a thick canopy. और फॉरेस्ट में जो ट्रीज होते हैं वो बहुत ही हाइट पर होते हैं, बहुत ऊंचे होते हैं, टॉल होते हैं, एंड दे फॉर्म अ थिक कैनपी, और वो एक थिक कैनपी बनाते हैं. कैनपी, द अपर मोस्ट ब्रांचेस ऑफ अ ट्री विच फॉर्म अ रूफ लाइक स्ट्रक्चर. सो दे फॉर्म अ structure like a roof, and that is called canopy. Even sunlight cannot pass through these forests, और इन फॉरेस्ट में सनलाइट भी पास नहीं हो सकती, इतनी ज़्यादा डेंस कैनपी होती है. दैट्स वाई दीज फॉरेस्ट आर इवन डार्क ड्यूरिंग द डे टाइम में भी वो बहुत ज़्यादा डार्क दिखते हैं. These forests remain green throughout the year and are therefore called evergreen forest. और ये forest पूरा साल green रहते हैं, that's why they are called evergreen forests. The southern and southwestern part of Democratic Republic of Congo is covered with grasslands. Grasslands are a large area of land covered with wild grass and very few plants. So, southern and southwestern part of Democratic Republic of Congo is covered with grasslands. So, that was all about DRC for today. We will continue in next video. Till then, have a great day, dear children.